XRP Ripple investors, you guys need to prepare right now. With that said, hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple price. This is DC Trading. The weekly candle closes today. Very, very important. I need all investors to pay attention because we can see a massive dump this upcoming week depending on the weekly candle close. In about 9 hours and 30 minutes, the weekly candle will close for Bitcoin and for XRP. Before we get into Bitcoin, I want to make this very clear for XRP Ripple investors. We need to pay close attention to the price of XRP today. Why is that? Well, if the XRP price closes below 50 cents on the daily and weekly, this is going to be a strong signal to what? To sell. We can drop as low as 44 to 45 cents. This obviously can be a great opportunity to dollar cost average into, but we need to pay close attention because the MACD indicator is currently telling us to buy on the daily, but on the weekly, it is telling us to sell. It formed a red dot last week, which is a bad sign. As you guys can see, for the past couple weeks, we have seen red in the markets for XRP. So with that being said, understand if the XRP Ripple price closes below 50 cents, we are definitely dropping back down to 44, 45 cents. Now, pay attention to the Bitcoin price as well, because if the Bitcoin price cannot hold above 25,500 on the daily and weekly candle, just like XRP, we can see a dump to $25,000 immediately. So that means it can be very bad for the crypto market next week. We can see a lot of red, but for long-term investors, this is going to be a good signal to start buying. Not financial advice. I'm just saying the MACD indicator is telling us to buy on the daily, just like XRP. Also on the weekly, it is telling us to also sell just like XRP. They're very, very similar. That's why we need to pay close attention, because if Bitcoin closes below 25,500, there's a good chance XRP will also close below 50 cents on the weekly. With that being said, if we take a look right now at the DXY did rise once again. We are above this descending line, as you guys can see, which is not a good sign, because that means that, in fact, the US dollar is getting stronger. If the US dollar is getting stronger, well, it's going to be red for the crypto market. Also, the MACD indicator on the daily time frame and the weekly is telling us to buy. If we take a look at the S&P 500, the S&P 500 is also correcting to the upside, which is a good sign for the Bitcoin and crypto market. So we do have a lot of mixed signals going on for the crypto market, and that's why I'm telling you guys, be prepared today, because we're going to find out. The S&P 500 on the weekly is telling us to what? To sell. A MACD indicator is telling us to sell. The DXY on the weekly is telling us to buy. So we do have two mixed signals. This right here is a bad sign for the crypto market, looking at the MACD indicator. And the DXY, that's a bad signal also for the crypto market, because it's telling us to buy, which means it's getting stronger. And for the Bitcoin on the weekly, it is telling us to sell. Not a good sign as well. The past couple weeks, we have seen red and a lot of correction from the Bitcoin and the crypto market. So overall, I would have to say we are more bearish overall on the crypto market, meaning we need to be careful, because we may very well see an XRP price drop back down to 44 to 45 cents. Why do I say that? Well, we have been respecting this ascending line right here. So hopefully we can, hold this up, because if we cannot, we're definitely dropping back down to 30 cents. But it looks like from past history, we have been respecting this ascending line, as you guys can see. Remember last time the crypto or the XRP, price crashed to 42 cents. We did respect it briefly, wicking below it and then bouncing back up. With that being said, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. My price prediction Bearish would be 44 to 45 cents. If not, we're going to be stuck at 50 to 55 cents in the meantime. With that said, if you made it this far, make sure to comment the number 1000. Peace.